Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Quick little stock market recap. We closed the day on sqqq, a little bit over 10,000, almost $11,000 on the day, and tqqq, which is the bull inverse ETF. This one was right under $1,300. You guys can see my quantity shares. I held 250 shares of tqqq. That is the bull ETF. Yes, the market is still bearish, but overall, long term, the market tends to be more bullish than it is bearish. In comparison to my overall position size of what I tend to trade with, this is less than 10%. So in my opinion, again, it's just something that I felt comfortable trading, something that I can tolerate even at the worst case scenario. When it comes down to my sqqq position, I am not holding any more shares other than just the one. People love to ask why I just hold the one share. Again, I just like staying up to date with my overall position, and by keeping one share, I can always see either how much I'm up or how much I'm down. Why do I not hold sqqq overnight? Well, sqqq is the inverse ETF, meaning that if the market overall long term is more bullish, then that means that sqqq does have its bull runs, no question about it. I think that the past week is a great example where we've seen sqqq really gap up. If we look at overall lows, let's go ahead and use this little trend line tool from overall lows to current highs, that same resistance level. That is a 17% run in just in this trading week for sqqq. You guys can rewatch every single video that I recapped this week. I cleared a little bit over $47,000 this week. This is not a normal week for me. It's one of my better weeks for sure. I am trading with over $300,000, so please make sure that you take that into consideration. But people love to ask, what's the whole purpose of only making 5 or 10% out of the $1,000 you might be trading with right now? I think that we can all agree that the intention with everything as you're just getting started is to feel comfortable, to gain experience, and then to scale. And when you gain experience and when you get more comfortable, you're going to be more confident to trade with more money. And again, taking the action of the market can continue to drop. You guys know that we've been trying to stay up to date with the overall market sentiment. It's still very bearish. So a lot of people might be asking, why do I not hold more sqqq shares overnight because I could potentially make more money? It's just not in my MO. It's not something that I want to take on. I don't want to hold $150,000 worth of a triple leveraged inverse bear ETF that if anything good happens, the market can quickly recover. So just like many of you guys, I want the market to recover. I want the NASDAQ market to recover. But just like we've prepared for the past 2 weeks, as the overall NASDAQ market had its nice little run, we knew that this pullback was going to happen. So I'm very happy that at least our Learn Plan Profit team was able to prepare in advance and absolutely kill it this week. So I just wanted to recap the overall week. The overall market still very bearish as of right now as the Feds tackle down, and really what everyone continues to say is remain very hawkish when it comes down to their focus in raising interest rates to tackle down inflation rates. So if you guys have any questions that I can personally answer for you, just know that I do respond to all of my Discord messages. It is for free, and that's that first link in the description. If you guys want to be able to watch me trade live every single day, if you guys watched today's earlier video, that was a perfect example of what it's like to watch me trade live every single day. My 3 focuses every single day are position size, making sure that direction is in my favor, and then of course, never being afraid to lock in profits and or manage risk. So again, if you like the way that I break things down, if you like my a little bit more conservative side of trading, I would encourage you to click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group, and to see if it's a good fit for you. We do have a $100 off coupon that will be going on all weekend long. So if you've been waiting for a sale and been waiting to join our team, again, you get lifetime access to our A to Z video lesson library, lifetime access to the private Discord chat, daily live trading session, and of course, you get lifetime access to our Tech Buds Trading HQ, which is located in Chandler, Arizona. That is all included. Again, if you want to learn more about it, that's that second link down below. I appreciate you guys' time. Hope I earned your thumbs up in this video. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.